Good morning. Today we are going to start with chapter 2nd of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which relates with punishment. The sections are section 4 to section 13, which completely discuss about the concept of punishment. That is in chapter 2nd. Okay. Now in IPC, previously we were having section 53 to 75 sections were there. Means 23 sections were there relating to punishment, and now they are being clubbed together only in section 4 to section 13. That is only 10 sections are there. Means for 23 sections of IPC, today we have only 10 sections, but it contains all the things. And one more new thing has been also introduced, called as a community service. Got it? So we'll start with section 4 to section 13, but before that we will just see about what is punishment. Then what is punishment? Punishment is something undesirable, unpleasant, which is being given in by the hands of the state. It is the state which is going to give punishment. But when it is going to give punishment, when some person does an unlawful act or an illegal act, prohibitory act, means punishment is a sequel. Punishment does not come directly. Punishment comes with a crime. Means a person first is committing a crime, he is found guilty, he is proven guilty, and therefore he will be punished. Punishment is something undesirable and which is already been told in different laws, or now in BNS also, or some minor criminal laws are also there, like Dowry Prohibition Act, Immoral Traffic Act, Child Marriage Restraint Act. These acts are there which provide for certain acts. They penalize those acts. Therefore, those are also criminal law only. And BNS is also there. So, they have, or the law has beforehand told the people, don't do this, otherwise the unpleasant sequel is going to come through the judiciary. The judiciary is going to prove him guilty and punish him. Okay, that is the concept of punishment. Punishment can be defined as a penalty which is being given by the judiciary as per the law. Now, what is the object of punishment? The main object of punishment is what? To protect the society from mischievous and undesirable elements which are there in our society. See, crimeless society is a myth. It is a myth. No society will be there without a crimes. In some or the other form, crimes are there. So, crimeless society is a myth. Therefore, crimes are there. Therefore, state is going to punish them. The judiciary is going to punish them. Why these people are to be punished? Because the right-thinking people, the peace-loving people should live in the society. There should be law and order in the society. There should be justice prevailing in the society. Therefore, the mischievous and the undesirable elements are to be punished. That is the object of punishment, to protect the society from these kinds of elements. Okay. Now, punishment is having different objects which are being discussed in a form of theories, like deterrent theory, preventive theory, retributive theory, and now mainly which we follow is what? The reformative theory. The first theory, like in ancient times, the main object of punishment was deterrent. Means give the punishment to the criminal in such a way that he will not repeat the crime, but others also should not commit a crime. Means give him the punishment in such a manner that is going to work on the mind of others also. It is being stated in one phrase, I do not punish you for stealing the ship, but so that the ship may not be stolen. I'll repeat the sentence. I do not punish you for stealing the ship, but so that the ship may not be stolen. Means the people should not steal the ship. Therefore, I am punishing you. Means give him the punishment in such a manner that this crime will not be repeated, not only by that person but by others also. For that, what I stated, it should work on the mind of others. That is a deterrent. So, crime, the punishment is having one object, that is deterrent. It should deter the people. It should deter the society. They should think twice, thrice before committing an offense. They should think about punishment. So the object of punishment is deterrent. The next is what? Preventive theory. Prevention is always better than cure. We should have in penology some provisions to prevent the crime. We should disable those mischievous and those undesirable persons so that they will not commit a crime. And therefore we are having certain provisions called as preventive detention. Means we take them into custody. We detain them to prevent a crime. They are not taken in custody because they have done any crime. We take them in custody so that they should not commit a crime. Many provisions are there in Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, that is our previous CRPC, and also other laws are there of preventive detention, which is based upon this preventive object. Okay, this is the second theory. The third theory is what? Retributive, revenge. It is based upon revenge. An eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. The criminal deserves and he has to suffer because he is a bad element. He has done certain things. So the victim is suffering. He is having revenge in his mind, and the victim's revenge should be satisfied, because if the revenge is not satisfied, what will happen? Crime is going to increase. The poor victim will feel that he is not getting justice, so he will take law in his own hands, and we don't want that. People should not take law in their own hands. Judiciary is there, which is going to balance what he has done, how much punishment we have to give, and then the punishment should be given. Then only law and order situation will prevail. People have faith in judiciary. Judiciary will do its work in a proper manner. Okay, therefore law should not be taken in own hand. The object of punishment is retribution, and the judiciary will do it. Okay, the next is the last, you can say. Many other are also there, compensatory theory and all. But these are the four basic theories: deterrent theory, preventive theory, retributive theory, and reformative theory. Hate the sin, not the sinner. No one is born criminal, isn't it? No one is born criminal. Maybe a person faces certain situations in his life. Because of that, he turns up to be a criminal. Lombroso, other people are also there who stated, Cesare Lombroso had stated that many abnormal things are there in him. Physical abnormalities are there. Means man is a born criminal. But afterwards, Lombroso also felt that no, social environment have effect. When we are going to study about criminology, there we will see all these theories and the causes of crime also, or causation of crime, why man commits crime. So now our penology and we all people believe that the person has done a crime because something wrong was there. Something wrong occurred in his life. Somewhere, some institution has failed. Maybe it is a marriage institution, maybe it is a family institution, or maybe the education system has failed, because of which this person has gone astray. He is not on the right path. Okay, so we believe it now, and therefore we have brought the concept of reformation. We are having many concepts like probation, parole and all, so that we try to reform the person. We try to make him law-abiding citizen. But we have to take care. Excessive reformation is going to get ridiculed in the society, in the mind of that undesirable person. Because that undesirable person, what he'll feel? He'll feel, okay, I have done the crime. And what this legal system has done, they are trying to reform me, who has done crime in their society. So such a type of ridiculousness should not be there. Okay, therefore reformation should be used in a proper manner. So these are the objects of punishment. Now recently we also have brought the concept of compensation also, which is called as compensatory theory. We are having many provisions, and we are trying to give compensation to the victim. But these four theories are the basic theories of punishment. Okay, now we saw the meaning of punishment. We saw the object of punishment. Now we'll start with the sections. Section 4 of BNS states about the types of punishment. Death will be one of the type of punishment. For severe offences, death penalty will be given. Next is life imprisonment will be there. Then third is imprisonment, general imprisonment, which will be of two description, that is rigorous imprisonment and simple imprisonment. Fourth is forfeiture of property. Fifth is fine. These 5 punishments were there in IPC also. We are having in BNS, and one more is being introduced, that is called as community service. Okay. Section 4 states about these types of punishment. Death penalty, which is also called as capital punishment, life imprisonment, imprisonment that is rigorous or simple, forfeiture of property, fine, and the 6th is community service. This is section 4. The further sections we'll see in the next video, that is the part 2 of punishment. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video.